So essentially there are 5 sensors. The first one being the toggle temperature sensor, which actually toggles the glove's contact sensors. And it comes with the tempo level and the sound level that goes according to the contact sensor, so that when the temperature increases or decreases, these values change according so. The toggle change temperature changes the actual glove temperature, and the glove temperature is set to the current temperature at the moment, but it can be increased and decreased separately. The first button is button A, and when we press it, it toggles the change temperature variable, and it basically sets it to true if it is false, and if it is false, it sets it to true. And in this setting, you can tilt the logo up or tilt the logo down, and according to that, it will change the temperature by 1 or decrease the temperature by 1 within the restrictions that the temperature can go up to on the glove. The second button toggles to the contact temperature sensor. So same thing, if you turn it on when it's false, then it goes true, and if you turn it on when it's true, it goes to false. So what happens here is basically the main functionality of the actual glove. When the toggle temperature sensor is set on, and it constantly surveils the temperature of the contact sensor, so that if whoever is using the glove is touching a certain surface, let's say a pot, and it's super hot, it will indicate through audio and by pitch and volume and tempo and the LED screen according to the temperature of whatever the user is touching. So here, if it's below 0 degrees Celsius, it's indicating that it's a dangerous level. Same on the other end of the spectrum. If it's boiling hot or it could burn the victim, it does the same thing. And they both kind of middle down from each side. The LED smiley face back to neutral temperature, which is between 20 to 25 degrees. So we have cool, cold, and then frozen. And on the other side, we have from neutral, warm, hot, and then boiling. So here is the simulation. So right now we're at 21 degrees Celsius. We can adjust it. If we shake the controller, it shows the current temperature on the sensor. If we turn on the contact temperature sensor, and we can increase the temperature to warm. It's a lower note with a middle face. If we get up to 30 plus degrees, the pitch increases and the LED face gets sadder and the tempo increases. And if we get above 40, which is the burning level, we get fast tempo, loudness, and high pitch, and exclamation mark. This is also on the other side too. When we get to colder, so below 20 is cool. Below 10 is frigid or cold. And then below that to 0 is freezing, so frostbite. So we can turn that off. And if we go to toggling the environment temperature, the actual temperature of the glove, if we shake it right now, it's set at 21 like at the beginning. But if you tilt up, let's say 3 times, shake it, temperature goes down. Or sorry, the other way. If you tilt the logo up, the temperature increases by 1. And if you tilt it down, it goes down. Yep. And we can turn that off. And we can shake, see what the actual temperature is. It's -1. And yeah, so basically it's the toggle between the contact sensor of the glove and the actual glove that can be heated or cooled down.